Hello, my darlings. I am back with another video. I have took a while, I know, but I'm getting them all rolled out. I've been recording a lot, but I had to erase a lot off my phone, so I'm back now because I didn't have enough storage. However, today I am doing a cook with me, and I am at work, so it'll be a little different. It's not my kitchen, but I'll make do, okay? So yeah, y'all might see a couple of heads walk by, because sure enough, as soon as I start cooking, they're gonna come down. My girls are gonna come down, so you might see a little heads walk by. Just ignore that, okay? However, today I am making chicken stir fry. They have asked me to make this. It's like a teriyaki chicken stir fry. I made it one time before and everybody raved about it and liked it, so I'm going to make it again. Hopefully I got everything that I need. I believe I do. So yeah, stay tuned. Make this dish. I will show y'all. I don't know the exact measurements, I just do it. However, I will show y'all. You can ask questions down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my stuff. All right, be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna start by cleaning up. Everything's clean. I had already wiped down the stove earlier. They clean every day, every night. However, I just like to make sure everything's clean, so I am going to wipe down the counters. I did wipe down the stove earlier and wipe down this side, but I'm going to wipe down that side, and then I'm going to get to the cooking, okay? All right. For the most part, I'm gonna have black pepper, lemon pepper, some kicking chicken, a little bit of paprika, got to have your onion powder, and definitely gotta have your garlic powder. You gotta have some Creole, optional, but meat tenderizer. A little bit of cayenne just to add a little kick to it, just a little spice. And I love this seasoning. It is famous original chicken seasoning, Ocho Rios. This is a Jamaican seasoning. It's not really, it don't have Jamaican taste, it's just a chicken seasoning. However, a lot of people use it for Caribbean food. However, I like to put it on anything I make chicken because it's good. Got you a bowl for your vegetables to be put up to the side. Got an onion. Looks like a small onion, but we don't need that much. Some broccoli. I had already opened it. It's fresh cut broccoli. However, it's like already bagged broccoli, already cut for you. Great. And then tricolor peppers. You can get all 4 if you want, but we had 3. I had already used them because I made pepper steak. So we're going to use them up and make the stir fry today. We got some long grain rice. You know, I don't really care for this rice. I like the parboiled because it cooks better. This rice does not cook that good to me. However, I did not buy it, so we're gonna work with what I got. I like Uncle Ben's, but we're gonna see how this works. Sometimes I can make this good and sometimes I can't. So sometimes it gets too mushy or it's too hard. It's one or the other, but hopefully we get it right this time. But it's long grain rice. You can get whatever type of rice you like, your preference. You can do fried rice. I was going to do fried rice, but I ain't got time for all that. However, moving along. Got your pot for your water, for your rice. I'm about to cut. I got a cutting board. I'm about to cut my vegetables first. Then I'm going to move on to the chicken. I got regular chicken breast, and yeah, actually take that back. Got frozen chicken breast from the bag, and we're going to cut that up. Got it de-thawed, and I'm gonna cut that up and get started. Got your knife, cutting board, and everything is rinsed off first. Okay, you guys, I washed my hands. I re-rinsed the peppers because they were in the bag. However, they were already clean, but I re-rinsed them. So we're just gonna cut these peppers on up. And if you never had stir fry, you cut them long ways. Get that thing out the middle. I cannot stand peppers because of the seeds. Like, I love peppers, but I cannot stand them because they got all these seeds in them. You gotta get all the extra little stuff out. However, we're just gonna throw that to the side, kind of clean it all off at once. I am gonna rinse this up. Rinse clean. This knife is clearly not sharp. Go that way. And your preference on how thick or how small you cut your peppers is totally up to you. I like my peppers a little big, but I'm going to cut them in half, so they're in thirds. So, like I said, it's your preference. I know I'm cutting this kind of wild. And I'm just putting this over here in this bowl. Until I get finished, I'm going to marinate. I'm actually going to switch bowls because the bowl got a hole in it. But I'm going to marinate it in teriyaki sauce. Just a little bit, not too much. I'll show you guys at the end. I'm gonna turn this radio on because it's quiet. Put these back in the fridge. I'm gonna pour my broccoli. I'm gonna rinse my broccoli off and pour the broccoli in here. Ooh, my eyes are burning, honey. I don't jinx myself real quick. Let me go wash my hands real quick. Alright, I'm going to go wash this, wash my hands, rinse everything off, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am back with the chicken breast. I got about 6 tenderloins here. They're already defrosted. Chicken breast. You can do thighs. I've done it on thighs. I don't like thighs though. I don't like fatty meat. I told you one was coming. Hopefully she don't come talking. chicken breast is cut up. I'm just gonna season the chicken. Started raining. You can put a little oil in the bottom if you like. I didn't because I don't want my chicken extra oily. However, when you are making this, you can put sesame seed oil at the bottom, and it gives it that authentic Asian taste, Chinese food taste. Just to have your garlic powder. Let's see if we have garlic. I also put ginger and garlic, fresh ginger and garlic in this dish, and it is really good. Just gonna season the chicken. It looks like a lot, but after you put everything in here, the vegetables and everything, it is going to be good. My girls don't like spicy stuff, so I put just a little bit in there. That was actually hot, but oh well. Didn't mean that. Okay, I'm just gonna stir it around a little bit so that all the chicken gets the seasoning. It's gonna cook up anyway, so. I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna get the rice started and clean up my dishes, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, I am about to put the rice on. I already rinsed out the pot. The chicken is on the stove. Smelling so good. I'm gonna stir it up in a second. Just wanna get this rice made up. Rice is hit and miss sometimes. However, as long as this is the key to rice, all rice. 2 cups more, so it's double the cups in water. So if you have 2 cups of rice, you're gonna put 4 cups of water. If you have 3 cups of rice, 6 cups of water. So you're basically doubling whatever you got in water, whatever the amount of rice you have in water. So with that being said, you do that. Put a little bit of butter and a little bit of salt. Just like a dash of salt. I don't cook a lot of my foods, hardly any of my foods with salt, because I just season really good. However, I'm gonna get that rice on, and then it's key to rice. You have to let it boil. Put it in there, let it boil, and then you once it starts boiling, you put the top on and turn it low. Let it simmer until the water is coming up out of there, like all the way out. Coming into the, steaming into the rice, cooking into the rice, blowing your rice up. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put you guys back here so I can get started. So I'm gonna do, let's see, I'm gonna do 3 cups of rice. I think, let's see. I'm gonna do 2.5 cups. So it's about half. I see something here. It looks like gray. It's just cool. But okay, so I'm gonna put the water in here. I did 2.5 cups, so I'm gonna do the water. Then I got this right here. We're just gonna do this. 1 cup. 2 cups. 2 cups. 4 cups. Okay. So I did 5 cups since I did 2.5 cups of rice. I'm gonna get that going. Should have been got it going, but it's okay. Put just a little bit of salt, like literally a dash of salt. A dash of salt. You're gonna take that, pinch, pinch, you done. Don't be giving nobody no salty rice now. Ain't nobody no salty rice. Can't stand no salty food. And show y'all here. I gave it a stir already. Don't do too much with it because you want the juices to cook up in that chicken. When this is almost done, that's when we're gonna add the vegetables. Okay, you got these vegetables over here marinating. And that's good old teriyaki dressing and soy sauce. Didn't put too much because you're gonna add more to your chicken later. All right. Spoon. Give this a little stir. I'm gonna go put a little bit of butter in it. A little bit of margarine. Get margarine stuff. But that's it. So let that cook up and we're gonna be back, okay? Okay, this is starting to cook down. It is pretty much almost done. The cilantro looks good. Yeah. So. See this? Just gonna pour it in. That's it, that's all. Stir it up. I'm coming. Do this for one hand, y'all. It's hard, but we got it. So, I have one other ingredient I did not put, but it's the thing that turns everybody's heads until they see it and they taste it. They see it, they turn their heads and be like, yeah, that's nasty. But then they taste it like they just, peanut butter. That's it. I don't really care for this Peter Pan stuff. However, it's all we got. But get you some Jif peanut butter. Put a scoop or 2. You ain't putting the whole pan. You're not putting the whole thing of peanut butter in there. You're gonna put 1 or 2 scoops. That's it. That's it. Okay. Don't look at my mirror. Stay over that chair. However, we on quarantine, y'all. Cause I ain't going to. They open back up in the city, but I ain't going to nobody else until for long. No, cause I was about to say some real reckless stuff. But them people be nasty. What's in there? Oh, we already nasty. However, give me a spoon, please. I'm trying to record one here. I need my ring light.
Oh, you get the DVD. Oh, I went upstairs. Thank you.
Take one spoon. That's it. Just a spoon. Okay. That. Drop that in there. I'll start with 1 spoon. Stir it up. I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna put some more soy sauce. That rice still ain't boiling yet, so you're good. This is at your discretion. I can't talk today. However, you want a lot, but you don't want too much to where it's salty. But that's why you can get the non-salt kind, but I don't get the non-salt kind. And I didn't buy this stuff. My boss does the shopping. I just put it on the menu. And the teriyaki sauce, you pretty much use all of it. I put just a little bit of water usually, but I'm not because it's already got enough in there. The vegetables gonna make some water. We're gonna stir this up. Get it all together. Stir it up. I should have been put it in here because the broccoli needs to cook down, but it's okay because the peppers need to cook down too. Stir that peanut butter sauce up in there. It smells good already, y'all. The peanut butter just makes like a peanut smell because I don't have sesame seed oil. You don't have to do this if you have sesame seed oil. However, it just gives it like a peanut taste. It's so good. You don't put a whole lot in there. I learned this a long time ago. You can put a little brown sugar in there too if you want, but I don't. But I've tasted it with brown sugar. I've done it with brown sugar before. I don't really care for it. But it is good. I just don't care for it. I just feel like it's an extra step that I don't want to take. I need that. I need the cone apart. So, once this gets to cooking a little bit more, I'm about to put this top on it so it can simmer down, get this broccoli cooked up. Because broccoli is really your main thing. You can get already cooked broccoli. I like fresh broccoli. But broccoli is what makes you have to hold on for a second and let it cook down.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That cook for a while, and then I'm gonna taste the sauce just to see what it is. If I need to add more or if I need to take away. I mean, add more or keep it how it is. This rice still over here. Doing this little thizzle. It ain't boiling yet, but give it a little stir. Cause after that top go on, and after it get to boiling, that top go on, you gonna leave that alone. You ain't gonna stir it. You ain't gonna open that top up or nothing. You just gonna leave your rice alone, let it cook. Okay. Butter is optional. Salt is optional. Okay. So we almost there. It's pretty good. I'm about to taste it. I already tasted it. It was a little salty, but so I added another spoon of the peanut butter, which kind of takes away the salt. That's why I like the peanut butter. Like I said, you can always get non-salted soy sauce because that's what makes it salty. However, I don't like that because, like I said, this is not that salty. It wasn't like salty, like oh my goodness, but it was a little salty. So I added the peanut butter. So now we're gonna taste. I usually try to taste my broccoli to make sure it's done and it gets all the juice up in there. I don't want to cook it too much because then you got chicken breast. Chicken breast get dry real fast. Hold on. I'm trying to burn my mouth. flavor is so good, but the broccoli needs to cook just a little longer, so about 5 more minutes at the most, and I'll be done. So I'm come back and show y'all the finished product, okay? Okay, so this is the finished product of the stir fry. And the rice. The rice, like I told y'all, is hit and miss, and it's a little mushy. It's alright though. It's alright. Still gonna be good because you're just gonna put that on top. I'm gonna show y'all my plate when it is made. I'm making some crescent rolls. We got some crescent rolls in the oven. And yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. I made some crescent rolls with it, and yeah, there you go. Yes, I'm eating on a plastic plate because I'm at work. But do y'all see that? You see them peppers and the broccoli. So good. I tasted it already. It's really good. White rice. Just put it on top of your rice, and there you go. Voila. Simple, easy, and very cheap stir fry. All right. Thank you again for watching. If you want me to cook any more meals, let me know. Comment down below. And because I'm always cooking, and I can cook my butt off. So if y'all want to see me cook anything else, just comment down below. But don't forget to like, comment, and share my stuff. All right, darlings, it's been real. I am about to eat and stuff my face, and I'll talk to y'all later.